Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to look at our agenda for Friday, November 2nd and Monday, November 23rd. And so the first thing that you're going to be doing is watching a video and completing the notes on section 4.3 through 4.5. You should already have those printed out as part of your chapter 4 packet that you picked up at the beginning of school in August, but if you don't, those are linked in right here. When you're finished with that, there is an assignment. The assignment is the 4.3 through 4.5 homework. That also should be in the material that you picked up at the beginning of the year. If not, it is embedded as a PDF in that assignment that you can go ahead, print out, complete, and return back to me. In addition to that, there is an angle chase, which we are trying to find all the angles in a very complex figure using what we know about vertical angles and linear pairs. There are 4 of them. I did the first example, and then you need to try to complete that example on your own, as well as examples 2, 3, and 4. That should also be part of your packet, but if not, it is embedded right here. And you can see that that is what you're going to be turning in right there. A lot of the work that we are doing up here with this material is getting us ready for some proofs. And so I mentioned it in the video, but also want to mention right now that we really need to make sure that we understand the statements and the reasons that we can pull from that given information. If we have that small components, then we're going to be able to take those small components and link them much, it's going to be much easier to link those together when we go to do our proofs. So this is the assignment for both Friday and Monday. So if I don't talk to you before, I hope you enjoy your Thanksgiving break, and I will catch up with you after that. If you have any questions, please Canvas message me. I hope you have a great weekend.